Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and this binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes. The binary puzzle number 8580. 580. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Well, we have here 3 O's. If you place number 4 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. Without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.